I started flipping cars till I could afford a supercar. I started building a new shop, which is going to be called the Elantra headquarters. I gained 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm now monetized, and I've gained almost 100,000 followers across 3 different platforms. Thank you guys. That was my 2024. It's now 2025. This is January 1st. It's about 5 degrees here right now. We got no snow, which is wild. Here's a recap of my 2024. I hope you enjoy it. Please stay to the end, because I got some pretty big news to share. I'm gonna start flipping cars until I can afford a supercar. Flip car number 1. And we just picked up some parts. You ready for some mechanic magic? Wow. I just love lying on the ground. It's so comfortable. It's like a free back massage. Torque to spec. I'm gonna want to dispose of these old car parts correctly. Just kidding, just kidding. I just love poison ivy. Got some more parts. Can't find my funnel. Let's not forget we have to dispose of this oil correctly. Just make sure nobody's watching. Whoa, just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. What idiot? All this stuff here in front of the tire machine. Oh wait, that was me. I got 1 done installed and balanced, and I got 3 to go. All done. You know what I am now? I'm tired. Rotten from the inside out. You just gotta keep cutting it, trimming it, test fitting it, trimming it, test fitting it, and trimming it until you get it pretty good. That's pretty darn good. Grinder and paint makes me the welder I ain't. So all the minor gaps and imperfections, we're not going to worry about those too much. We get Mr. Bondo to cover that up. Boy, is it always windy here. Man, shaking up that paint is really hard. Now we just got to do this side. Now let's take this seat out so we can clean the floor a bit better. Some fries, probably from McDonald's. 50,000 likes and I'll eat this fry. Leaves us with a grand total of $1,375.55. Not too bad, I don't think. The Elantra is sold. Well, the Elantra, she's sold. We just sold that baby for 5,200 bucks. We had a total of $1,375.55 into that Elantra. We sold it for 5,200 bucks. That leaves us with a grand total of $3,824.45. That is excellent. Flip car, still looking for a supercar. So this Tucson is the next one in the chopping block, but I gotta leave for a week. I gotta go to Quebec for some electric vehicle training for my work. It's gonna be a big difference for me because Quebec is French and I could barely speak English, let alone French. Yeah, there's only about 2 French things that I know. It's French fries and French toast. Well, maybe one other French thing. You have to ask the wife about that, eh, boy? Please do not. 10:30 at night and I finally made it. Quebec. Bonjour, boys. Back on the rock. Finished up my EV training. The wife and the young fella came up on Thursday. We went to Old Port, Montreal. We seen the St. Lawrence River. We got on this giant Ferris wheel. We did this huge maze. We went to Laran, the Six Flags amusement park. I probably butchered that name. I learned lots. My head is swelled. We had a great time, a little vacation. Now I'm back on the rock. This view is just a little bit better, don't you think? The little vacation was nice, but it's good to be back because I got work to do. We got a lot of cars to flip, we got a garage to build, and as someone said in the comments, I'm busier than a dog with 2 dicks. Flipping cars to like a Ford supercar. $230 I paid for this machine. So let's quickly go over this and see what I bought for $230. We got remote start. We got a duct tape door in though. We got an absolutely rotten interior. We got 262,671 kilometers. No warning lights. The gas light. We got a wonderful exhaust light. I'm going to attempt to clean this car out at least a little bit before I get rid of it again. There's some things I found. We got a trailer light. We got some fishing line. We got this knife. We got a little axe. So far, I'm $280 into this Tucson. It's $200 for the car, $30 in tax, and a $50 transfer fee. So I'm going to put this car up for $2,000. Hopefully get at least $1,500 out of it. I'm going to advertise it as parts or repair. It's best used as parts. It's a wonderful parts car. If you want to repair it and you want to tackle that work, have at her. $2,000 for this car is a good price because it comes with a lot of extras. Like this extra bottle of Mountain Dew. We got some extra toothpicks. We got an extra fingernail. We got an extra glove. We got some extra bald tires. We got some extra dents. And all these extras are free of charge. This thing's been for sale for a couple weeks. And after talking to what seems like 100 different people, asked me all kinds of absurd questions like you would on Facebook Marketplace, someone finally bought it for $1,300. So $280 into this machine. I just sold it for $1,300. So that leaves my profit at $1,020. Here comes the truck. Just going back around. There she goes. 60,000, 60,000, 60,000, 50,000, $200. Once a $50,000, $60,000 truck, the Tucson fits in just perfectly. Winter is coming. So you know what that means. It's gonna snow. So you know what that means. I'm gonna need a garage. So you know what that means. I'm gonna build a garage. Let's just get this stuff going. All gone. This garage is gonna be 20 feet wide and 40 feet long. Now I just gotta do that 100 more times. For all you carpenters watching, keep scrolling. Cause I'm not a carpenter. Looks good to me. Like I said, I ain't no carpenter, but buddy, I can hammer, screw, and drill. Go.
Go.
Go. Cover our plastic down. Now we gotta put all this wire mesh down. Got most of it done. We need one more piece of wire mesh. I gotta pick up some rebar to go around all the perimeter. But right now it's quitting time because it's just about beer o'clock. Today we're laying some pipe. We got small pipe. We got big pipe. So this pipe is gonna be for in-floor eating. And this pipe is gonna be for an in-floor drain. So we got our trench dug. We got a good slope on that pipe. Gonna come up this way. Put a glue on her.
Dad?
Yeah.
I'm down here to help you.
Oh yeah.
Can I come over?
Sure, just let you trip up. Here, buddy.
Okay. Let's trip up.
Oh, put that one down in there. Alright.
So what do I do? Is that glue?
Yep.
Looks gross.
It does.
That looks really weird. It looks like paint.
Push that one down there.
Yeah, sure.
Push it down.
There.
So the next part is going to be fun. So I got to lay all this pipe out in the floor. I just love that for me. Buddy, I'm not a plumber, but I could lay some pipe. All the rebar is down. Today I'm happy for a tetanus shot. So I gotta go around now. I gotta tie all this rebar together with some wire. Concrete is coming today. What a view. So this was 20 yards of concrete. It came in 2 separate trucks. It only took about an hour for us to pour the entire floor. A few hours after the pour, a couple guys came back and finished the floor. Well, I got concrete. I had a good crew of fellas there to give me a hand. It was a good thing they knows what they're doing because I don't. I'd like to thank the boys for all their help. I'd like to thank the wife for putting up with all my shit. And I'd like to thank my dog for putting paw prints in my floor. Building Grange, so I flip cars until I can afford a supercar. I've spent 2 days playing with my wood. I played with my wood that much, my 2 arms are tired. For real though, I've been pretty busy. Just look around. I got, all my walls are made. I've started making my truss. Holy f***, guys, we got walls. So I finally got all my trusses done, and today we stuck up these walls. A few good hands to help me put these walls up today. So this is where the ramp is gonna go. We're gonna flip a lot of cars here, don't worry. We got one garage door going here. We got another garage door going right here. This is gonna be the main door. And I got 2 windows. Up here in this corner, we're gonna have a compressor, a tire machine, a balancer. We're gonna have a big bench here, and there's gonna be a hydraulic press somewhere here.
Where's the beer fridge?
Over here. So the one bay up there is for flipping cars. This second bay is going to be a home for my 1953 Mercury pickup truck that we're going to put an LS in. Stay tuned, because this garage got to get built. And we got flips to flip. So here we are, putting the trusses up, one at a time. I had a good crew of fellows here help me again. The pay is not very good, but it's the way she goes. It's kind of like you scratch my back and I scratch yours. So whenever one of the boys needs their car fixed, they'll know where to come. After we had so many put up, we just had to pile them all up, because if we kept going, we wouldn't be able to get them up on the roof because there wouldn't be enough room. And then we just slid them back in place afterwards. I'm gonna do a little update where I'm at right now with the garage. So as you can see, all the walls are pretty well sheeted over. We got most of this side of the roof sheeted over. Here's a look from inside. Here's a little look from the top. Got all our scaffold set up. The roof is sheeted up so far. The other side is not done yet. Now we're gonna head out. We're gonna stop to see this little truck, well, a big truck. The locals all call it Red Rocket. She won't start, boys. I think there's something wrong.
Are you contemplating on how to get out?
Luckily, I already had my tetanus shot. I want to bring that home. I might bring that home.
No.
The things I do for YouTube. And this is the latest car flip. So I already have this thing paid for. It's ready to go. This is a 2013 Santa Fe, I do believe. It just had a new engine installed at the dealership. I picked this up for 1,000 bucks. As you can tell, that took me about 5 minutes. It's not my first time loading a car up on a dolly. Before you go into the comments there and write down, wait, you can't put an all-wheel drive car on a tow dolly. I know. The drive shaft is already removed. It's not going nowhere. Pros. This thing has a brand new engine with literally maybe 10 kilometers on it. The tires, white new. The windshield is good. It's fully loaded. It's got heated leather seats. It's got a panoramic roof and a backup camera. It's got all brand new brakes, front and rear. And in overall condition, the body is in pretty good shape. The interior is in great condition for the age and the mileage. I'd almost feel bad scrapping this car. I won't, but I almost would. And the cons. Handbrake doesn't work. We're going to need shoes and hardware, probably 2 rear backing plates. We need an alternator. We need a 4-wheel drive coupler. I know for a fact those are about 800 bucks or more, I think. We're going to need 2 rear axle seals and fluid. We need that shock. And the manifold and that cat has been welded together, which I don't really know what to do. It's not leaking right now. But, I mean, I don't know how long it's going to last. So I'm flipping cars till I can afford a supercar. Then I decided to build a garage so I can flip cars to afford a supercar. Then I decided to buy a ramp, put in my garage so I can flip cars till I afford a supercar. Then when I was loading up this ramp, I decided to stick my finger in there and crush the top of my finger. And also, it was the nose picker. I just love that for me. So, moral of the story. Don't stick your fingers where they don't belong. I'm just happy it wasn't something else to get caught in there. I got not 1, but 2 cars to flip. So I got a couple weeks before I can A, pick my nose, and B, fix any cars. This is my new to me, used automotive lift. Now, I broke my finger loading this in the truck. I'm gonna try to unload this today by myself. Hopefully I won't break any more digits. Man, there's a lot of combing to do. Just remember, if you can't tie a knot, tie a lot. First squat in the new garage door. Well, as most of you guys know, I work at a local Hyundai dealership. But now, it's time for me to hang up one hat and put on another. Please like and please subscribe.